day 15 and we left the Hilton and headed for the much more affordable Bimini Cove Marina. Our plan was to stay for about a week here. We picked a pretty sporty day to get in and the waves did not disappoint.
I regret my choices!
The entrance into Bimini Cove Marina is a shallow, narrow, rock-lined jetty, and the pucker factor was 10 getting in there that day. But it was totally worth it because it's a beautiful, quiet marina and we had so much fun.
There's a reason we're not going out tomorrow, and it is the angry sky and the angry waves.
So we spent some time chilling by the pool and the tiki hut. Bimini Sands Marina has some of the clearest water and so many fishes. When you go to the Bahamas this early in the season, you can expect a lot of cold fronts to pin you down in place. We didn't mind at all because we like exploring the land as much as we do the ocean. And Lebowski loved finally getting to put his paws back on land and tire himself out playing with his ball. Where should we go next in the Bahamas? Let us know in the comments below. See you out there.